In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom domain to your Wix site. This process is straightforward, but requires some specific steps. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll have seamlessly added your very own domain to your Wix website. To begin with, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to your Wix dashboard. You can do this by navigating to the Wix website and logging into your account. Once you're there, look for the Setup option. This will be your starting point for making changes to your domain settings. Next, you'll need to locate the Settings section on your Wix dashboard. This is where you'll have access to all the backend options for your website, including domain settings. Clicking on Settings will take you to a new page where we can delve into the specifics of domain management. It's an essential hub for tweaking and customizing your site. Now that you're in the Settings menu, you should see a search bar or an option to type in what you're looking for. This is where you'll type in domain. By doing this, you're narrowing down the settings options to just those that pertain to domain management, allowing you to find what you need without unnecessary searching. After searching for domain, click on the Domain section. This area of the settings will allow you to see any domains associated with your account. And importantly, it's where you can add a new custom domain. Here, you're one step closer to making your website stand out with a personal touch. This leads us to a crucial part of the process: typing in your purchased domain. Ensure you have purchased a domain name that you intend to use. Enter it carefully, making sure there are no typos. The precision here ensures that your chosen domain will link perfectly to your Wix site, reflecting your brand or personal identity. The moment you click on Let's Go, Wix will guide you through the final steps to integrate your custom domain. It's a simple confirmation step, but one that signifies you're ready to move forward with the connection process. Now, it's time to complete the connection. In some cases, you might find an option labeled as Get It, which indicates that the domain is ready to be connected. If you've already secured your domain, you'll simply press the Connect button. This will finalize the integration, making your custom domain live on your Wix website. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully added a custom domain to your Wix site. This will not only enhance your site's professionalism, but will also make it easier for your visitors to find and remember your website. I hope you found this walkthrough clear and helpful. Enjoy your newly customized site.